Java Animals
by Carson,
Miranda,
Craig,
and Cameron.
So our program is a pet simulator like Tamagotchi, and it was made as a fun project that is enjoyable to play and also make.
Some of our goals were to create a pet simulator that allows the user to create pets that include name, color, type, and the details on the pet panel that shows these attributes. Our program tracks the characteristics like health, and there's also a shop panel that lets the user buy items to increase the health bar, and the balance clicker that adds money so you can buy more items.
Unfortunately, we were a little ambitious and some goals didn't work out. The biggest one being the inventory panel. We were going to have a panel that allowed users to buy items in bulk from the shop and hold on to them to use later. And also the editing of pets. Both of these features made the program just more complicated and kind of distracted from the point of the game, which was to take care of your pets and feed them and aid their health bar.
All right, now it's time for a demonstration.
Okay, so this is our Java Animals program. As you can see, we have 4 panels here. We've got the pet management panel, which is what we're going to use to create the pets and customize them. After you create it, your pet will show up on the pet display panel. You can have up to 4 pets. And there will be a show details button on each of the pets. When you click on that, the details of the respective pet will appear on the pet details panel. You can also buy things for your pet in the shop panel. Right now our balance is 0, but with this here clicker button, you can click on it, and every time you click, you get 25 cents. So that is how you accumulate money to buy things for your pet. So let's just try it out. Let's make a dog. We're going to make a blue dog. We're going to call him, let's just call him Rufus. Rufus the blue dog. Here we go. Look at that guy. Rufus the dog has been created. Magnificent. Okay, so here's Rufus. As you can see, he's got a little tongue sticking out. He's a little cutie. While Rufus is there, let's go ahead and his health is already going down. Let's buy him a ball. So we have 325 already. A ball's $3. It's gonna boost his health by 1. I think that'll be good for Rufus. So I'm gonna type in Rufus here, enter the name of the pet you want to apply this to. Rufus. And there you go. He's now at 9 again. So this is how you make the game a little bit more engaging. All right. And if we click View Details on Rufus, we can see his name, the type of animal he is. He's a dog. He's blue. He's a male. Right now he's 1 year old. His life expectancy is 10. His health is currently 7, and he is alive. Thank goodness. But let's make another pet. Let's make a cat. Let's make a pink cat, or no, let's make a black cat named Sage. Yeah. Let's just create a bird as well. Polly. Polly's a parrot. We're gonna make Polly pink. Yeah. And then we're gonna make Nemo, the fish. Nemo, of course, is orange. There we go. There's all of our pets. So if we click through here, we can see all their details showing up, and that's beautiful. Like Sage, let's get Sage something. Let's see. Ooh, catnip. Return Sage back to full health with some catnip. So we enter in Sage. There it is. Full health. Polly. What do we want to give Polly? Also, just to demonstrate that you can't create more than 4 pets, I'm gonna try. What's Rupert, the fish. Maximum number of pets reached. Sorry, Rupert, we can't make you. Okay, let's give. We can give Polly some seeds. Let's do that. Instantly went back down to 7. Great. Okay. Polly's doing pretty good. Nemo's doing pretty good. Sage. Rufus! Rufus, you're at 1 health! Okay, well, I think it's a bit too late now to, yeah. Rest in peace, Rufus. You will be missed. You were a good dog. As you can see, his eyes are now closed. His tongue is now in his mouth. He has been laid to rest. Uh, I might not be the best pet owner because my dog just died, but it's not too late to have a comeback. Let's get a fish tank plant for Nemo. Yeah, there we go. Get Nemo back up to full health. For Polly, let's see. Let's do Polly the bird. We need some seeds, right? Oh shoot, we don't have enough money. Okay, Polly, here you go. See, this is a little challenge, right? You gotta work your way around the GUI fast enough to actually make sure your pets don't die. What can give? Let's get Sage back up real fast. Can we do it in time? Oh, where is it? Scratching post. Yes. Okay. Well, as you can see, uh, the view details works for each of the pets. We can go through all the pets and view everything about them, buy them toys and things that increase their health. This is Java Animals. I hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration.
After seeing our program and how it works, let's dig into the litter box. So these are some of our features that we implemented. One of them we implemented was maps, which stores and retrieves pet information. And we mostly had this for our shops panel. And it basically checks to see if the user inputted name of a pet matches the pet name in the pet database from the maps. Next, we implemented was streams, which filters through an item list and finds the first item that it matches with the typed item.
Okay, and then another feature would be our timer. That's what we use so that the health bar would decrement. And so, basically there's a point of the game, and it's kind of what made it competitive. And so you had to, pay attention to your pet. You couldn't just show it a little bit of attention and then ignore it, because then it would, die.
The balance clicker was basically a way for us to add another incentive into the game and ensure just a competitive, interesting, and interactive game. The balance clicker class extends J button to create a clicker button. And once clicked, the user gets 25 cents added to their balance. And again, this just makes the game more interactive and competitive.
So we had some challenges, mostly like everyone else has. And I was having problems with the shop panel not taking in the pet. And this is because in the pet management panel, there was arrays, which were 4 different ones. And so we used a map to store all the information from pets that holds the pet names. And then we also had challenges of implementing inventory panel.
Our favorite parts from our program was the timer, which, the whole point of that was so we could have the attention decrement, because without it, the pet simulator would not be competitive. And then we were also really proud of our ASCII character pets. We thought they were really cool and looked really good.
What we could have added. We could have added animations to our ASCII character pets where, every couple seconds they would update to maybe winking at you. And we also were interested in adding maybe an adoption menu. So instead of your pets passing away, you could basically put it up for adoption and maybe even receive an incentive or an added balance that you could spend on your other pets. We also wish we could have added something to the details panel to show what items from the shop were actually applicable to each animal.
Thank you for listening to Java Animals.